Good morning, class. In this session, we'll start with common size balance sheet. Common size balance sheet shows the percentage relation of each asset or liability to total asset or total liability including capital. That means when we are making common size balance sheet, we take total of asset or total of equity and liability as a common base, and each item of balance sheet is represent to that common base. So let's see the format. So this is the format of common size balance sheet. Common size balance sheet as at, we'll write down the date on which we are preparing the common size balance sheet. Columns are particular, note number, absolute amount, figures of previous year, figure of current year, then the percentage of balance sheet total, previous year and current year figure. ये हमारी पूरी बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट है. Equity and liabilities, shareholders fund, then we have non-current liabilities, then current liabilities, then on the asset we have non-current assets, उसकी डिटेल है, then we have current asset and then the total. जैसे हम कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस को बेस मान रहे थे और उसको 100 ले रहे थे, इसमें ये जो टोटल ऑफ बैलेंस शीट है इसको हम बेस लेंगे और वो 100 होगा. जब हम प्रीवियस ईयर की फ़िगर ले रहे हैं तो प्रीवियस ईयर का टोटल आएगा. जब हम करंट ईयर की फ़िगर ले रहे हैं तो करंट ईयर का जो टोटल ऑफ बैलेंस शीट है उससे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. लेट्स सी द इलस्ट्रेशन. You are given with shareholders fund, non-current liability, current assets and non-current assets, previous year and current year figure. तो सबसे पहले तो आप इसको प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे. इक्विटी एंड लाइबिलिटी, शेयरहोल्डर्स फंड, नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी, करंट लाइबिलिटीज़, देन टोटल, देन नॉन करंट असेट्स एंड करंट असेट्स, देन टोटल. नोट नंबर आ गया. एब्सोल्यूट अमाउंट में यहाँ पे ये प्रीवियस ईयर की फिगर आ गई जो आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. You are given with shareholders fund 12 lakhs, 12 lakh. Current liability, non-current liability is 6 lakhs. Current liability is 2 lakhs. Total is 20 lakhs. Similarly, non-current asset is 14 lakh. Current asset is 6 lakh. Total is 20 lakh. तो जब हम परसेंटेज ऑफ बैलेंस शीट टोटल कर रहे हैं, हम इस 20 lakhs को बेस मान के करेंगे फॉर द ईयर 2019. दैट मीन्स दिस फिगर 60% इज 12 lakh डिवाइडेड बाय 20 lakh इंटू 100. देन 6 lakh डिवाइडेड बाय 20 lakh इंटू 100, वी गेट 30%. देन 2 lakh डिवाइडेड बाय 20 lakh इंटू 100, वी गेट 10%. And total of balance sheet will be 100 because it will be 20 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100. Then non-current assets will be 14 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100. So we get 70%. Then current asset will be 6 lakh divided by 20 lakh into 100. We get 30%. And then total is again 100%. तो ये 2019 की फिगर्स हो गई. जब हम 2020 की फिगर्स कर रहे हैं, वी विल टेक 30 lakh एज अ बेस. सो इट विल बी 18 lakh डिवाइडेड बाय 30 lakh इंटू 100, we get 60%. Then 6 lakh divided by 30 lakh into 100, we get 20%. Again 6 lakh divided by 30 lakh, we get 20%, and this is 100%. Then for non-current assets, 21 lakh divided by 30 lakh into 100, we get 70%. 9 lakh divided by 100 30 lakhs into 100, we get 30%. तो इस तरीके से हम अपनी कॉमन साइज बैलेंस शीट करेंगे. सो नाउ विल डू क्वेश्चन. So we'll do question number 26, common size balance sheet. You are given with the information shareholders fund, non-current liability, current liability. Then non-current assets and current assets, you are given with 2 years figure. So we'll construct the format. So कॉमन साइज बैलेंस शीट एज एट आगे डेट आएगी, पर्टिकुलर, नोट नंबर, एब्सोल्यूट अमाउंट, 2019 फिगर, 2020 फिगर, परसेंटेज ऑफ बैलेंस शीट टोटल, 2019 फिगर एंड 2020 फिगर. हमने प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट क्रिएट कर लिया है. इक्विटी एंड लाइबिलिटी, शेयर होल्डर्स फंड, नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी एंड करंट लाइबिलिटी. Then we have total. Then on the asset side we have non-current assets and current assets and total. We'll write down the figures for 2019 and 20. I have written the figures for 2019 and 20 for both the years. I have written, which is given in the question. So now we'll compute percentage to balance sheet total. First we'll compute for 2019, and when we are computing for 2019 हम ये 6 लाख को बेस लेंगे. So 2019 figure base is 6 lakhs. 3 lakh 60 divided by 6 lakh into 100 we get 60%. Similarly 1 lakh 80,000 divided by 6 lakh into 100 we get 30%, and 60,000 divided by 6 lakh into 100 we get 10%, and total will be 100. Then for non-current assets, 4 lakh 20,000 divided by 6 lakh into 100 we get 70%. Then 1 lakh 80,000 divided by 6 lakh into 100 we get 30%, and then total will be 100%. तो ये हमारी 2019 की फिगर्स कंप्लीट हो गई. Then we'll compute for 2020 also, and when we are computing for 2020 we'll take this 9 lakh as base. So for 2020 shareholders fund will be 5,40,000 divided by 9 lakh into 100, 60%. The non-current liability will be 1,80,000 divided by 9 lakh into 100, 20%. Again 1,80,000 divided by 9 lakh into 100, 20%, and total will be 100. For non-current assets it's 6,30,000 divided by 9 lakh into 100, 70%. And then current asset 2,70,000 divided by 9 lakh into 100, 30%, and then total will be 100. So this is the common size balance sheet. With this we end our session. Thank you.